Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 5. Jeogiyo, which means excuse me in Korean. Just to be more specific, the word Jeogiyo is used to call someone's attention. So in English, we can use the line excuse me to call someone's attention and at the same time to pass through a crowd. But in Korea, the word Jeogiyo is used only to call someone's attention. For example, you're in a restaurant and you wanted to call the attention of the waiter. So you can say Jeogiyo. Now let's study how to write Jeogiyo in Hangul. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable, Jo, is formed from the combination of the Jiat and Al character. The second syllable, Gi, is formed from the combination of the Giok and I character. And the last syllable, Yo, is formed from the combination of a no sound Iyang and the Yo character itself. And that's how you write Jeogiyo in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned Jeogiyo. Now let's do a word recap. The first word we studied is Annyeong Haseyo. This is a polite way of saying hello in Korean. The second word we studied is Annyeong Hasimnikka, and this is a formal way of saying hello in Korean. The third word we studied is Gamsahamnida, and this is a formal way of saying thank you in Korean. The fourth word we studied is Joesonghamnida, and this is a formal way of saying I'm sorry in Korean. And the fifth word we studied, which we discussed today, is Jeogiyo. This is used to say excuse me to call someone's attention. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about the word 잠시만요. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean words.